turns into gold.
We're flipping for a cure.
The flow, the girls come snapping at me. Now everybody wants a blast of magic, 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 magic.
Come out to Pancakes for Parkinson's.
On October 16th.
We're mixing for a cure.
It's that trick that I let tempo blow your mind. Pick a verse, any verse, I hypnotize you with every line. I'll need a volunteer, how about you with the eyes? Come on down to the front, stay right here and don't be shy. I have you time traveling, have your mind babbling. People trying to inherit the skills, so they asking it. Even David Blaine had to go and take some classes, and I see mind freak like, what's up, man, what's happening? So come on,
Pancakes is coming. Are you ready? I am.
Come to Pancakes for Parkinson's.
October
16th. Yep.
I got the magic in me.
I got the magic, baby.
Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold.
Yes, it turns to gold.
Everybody waking up too early. Maybe we could sleep. Make you banana pancakes, pretend like it's the weekend.